Ready? All right, here we go. Hey there, folks. I'm Zach Smith, the Pest Dude, and my daughter today is holding the phone. Little dudette. Hey, we got questions all the time about flies. Flies are not easy to control, so I want to give you a little bit of hope, but a little bit of education, information. One, we cannot just spray everywhere to kill the flies. Flies fly in from your neighbors, from far and wide. They fly, they bug you, they leave. It's just maddening, right? They're coming from compost. They're coming from decomposing organic matter, garbage cans, dog poop, somebody who's got horses next door, your own trash bins, leaves, debris, things piling up. Flies come from all sorts of places. They also could be coming from a dead animal, like if you happen to put out a bunch of rat bait and now you got dead rats in the walls and you got flies from the dead rats. Well, those things are correlated. But I just don't want people to think spray for flies, because that's not that easy. Now, there are some spray on fly baits where you spray the product on the walls and the flies will come and eat it and die. That's one option. There are some fly products specifically for horses to reduce the flies around your horses. Those are very specific labels. There's some issues with flies and horses for sure that you got to know about before you just apply it. But ultimately, what I need you to know is that flies are not easy to take care of. Don't expect them to just go away overnight. It's not as simple as just putting out one fly trap or spraying for them. We got to eliminate their food source and eliminate their reproductive cycle, and then you'll have the flies disappear. The other part of the disease triangle is the conducive conditions. We can't really do much about that. Conducive conditions are always favorable for flies. All right, so I can see my daughter's putting her finger in the lens and probably making for a little challenging video to watch, but I wanted to take a shot at human tripod here. Hope I helped out. We're going to do more videos on how to control flies in upcoming videos. Pest Dude, out!